Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we're going to be checking out Windows 8 build 7822. And you might be saying, well Rutwick, we've explored Windows 8 build 7850 and actually we've explored it twice because yeah, that was a re-exploring video, which was the last exploring video. But anyways, you might be asking, well the last build was 7850 and 7822 is a newer build than 7850. So what happened? Well, I really do not know. This is the earliest milestone 2 build that we have of Windows 8. And well, we went back build numbers is basically what happened. So this build was compiled on September 26, 2010, and it's only in 32-bit or x86. There's no x64 for this. So yeah, we're gonna be installing it in a virtual machine today. So let's get started. Uh, I'll have a link to the ISO and the beta wiki in the description if you want to check out this build for yourself. So we're going to call this Windows. We're going to call this virtual machine. We're going to call it Windows 8 build. I don't know if yes I did 7822, and this is the. Oh my gosh, I put the wrong thing. This is the FBL Core 1 kernel EE. That's just a really long name, so we're gonna just call it Windows 8 build 7822 in this video. But yeah, and we're going to give it 60 gigs of hard drive space. That should be fine, and we're going to customize it, and we can only give it a max of 4 gigs of RAM because it's 32 bit, not 32 gigabytes. Why did I say 32 gigabytes? Anyways, we're going to give this 2 CPU cores because that's probably a good idea. We're going to put in our ISO image, which is right here, 7822. And we're going to go into the USB controller and change this to USB 2.0. I don't know if this build also has the bug where USB 3 doesn't work, but I'm going to change it to USB 2, just in case stuff goes wrong. We're going to full screen it, and then we're going to go into the BIOS, because going into the BIOS is a very important step. Oh yeah, and I guess we could also go into stretched mode, because that's a good idea. So this build was compiled on, it was compiled on September 26th. Today is November 26th, so that's really nice. We don't have to change anything. So yeah, we can just leave it like that. And we're going to change this to 2010 because that's the year this build is compiled. We're going to make the CD drive at the top just in case we have any issues. And we're going to exit saving changes. So yeah, now Windows is loading files. For some reason it did it twice. I don't know why. That's strange. Wait, did I make it 64-bit? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. I think we might have made this a 64-bit virtual machine. I think we did. Yeah, I don't think this would even be able to boot. Right? I don't think it'll be able to install. I mean, it might, but it might not. I don't know. I mean, I don't think anything's stopping you from installing a 32-bit version of Windows on a 64-bit processor. So, yeah, I don't really think there's an issue. So, we might be fine. I also think that we have the bug where, yeah, we do. We have the bug where there's no background here. As you can see, it's just black background. Do we have the setup is bug? We might. Let's go to install now. And yeah, we have the setup is bugs, as you can see there. So, yeah. Oh, and yeah, by the way, we are going to be doing like a bunch of Windows 8 builds because I kind of want to get all the Windows 8 builds done. The next build that we're doing is actually 7878. I made a video on 7878 like in July of last year. But let's re-explore it after a year cuz yeah, I mean, re-exploring is always just cool. So, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to enter the product key. So I'll be right back. Alright, so we are back and we're going to accept the license terms. Click on next, custom, and we are going to install it on the 60 gigabyte drive. So now it should be installing. And I'm gonna probably talk for a bit and then pause the video. So what's the video plan? So yesterday we uploaded the 7850 video, well, the re-exploring. Today I'm probably going to upload the unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra video. This video will come out tomorrow, which is Thanksgiving actually. So this video should come out on Thanksgiving, which is nice. And then for Black Friday, I mean, I didn't get anything. I don't know. It's not Black Friday yet. So for Friday, I might I don't know. I might upload the build 7878 video on Friday, or I'll upload another unboxing video. But man, this week has gone by really fast. Let me tell you that. So the unboxing video exports, well, finishes exporting or rendering in 15 minutes. So I guess I'm just going to pause the video for now. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for a while. I might make a thumbnail. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna pause the video and I'll see you when something interesting happens. Which, wow, we're already 80% done expanding Windows files. I don't know, man. So I'll be back when something interesting happens. So yeah. Okay, so it's the next day. Uh, Computer name, Winate build. Cool. We're gonna click next. We're going to choose a home network, and I'll be back. All right, so we are back, and so let's change our display resolution. I also installed RedLock already. For some reason we can't increase the display resolution. That's strange. But hey, we got RedLock now, and it looks pretty cool. So now we've got an orange start menu. We've also got this blue outline over a calculator for some reason. I don't know why. We've also got the placeholder icons that we had last time. Let's look for Internet Explorer. Here it is. Because we're now on Internet Explorer 9, I think. Right? We are on Internet. This is build 7822, by the way. I think I already said that. But anyways, we've got the gadgets, which look the exact same. But here is Internet Explorer 9. It looks different, kind of. Yeah, as you can see, about Internet Explorer. Here's Internet Explorer 9 Beta. We can run WinVer if we want to. So it still says Windows 7 Professional. Evaluation copy expires February 5th, 2011 at 4:59 p.m. Okay, so yeah, this is basically Windows 8 build 7822. It has a lower build number, but it is a newer build than 7850. And our next build is actually going to be yet another re-exploring video, like I said while this build was installing. We are going to be checking out Windows 8 build 7878 again, which is going to be really nice. So yeah, that's basically all we have for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. It was a really good installation experience. We've got our nice little start menu, and you can see it's coming together. We now have a color. This is the unstaged version. And you know, you can do like, it's really glitchy because I have Minecraft open in the background, but as you can see, it is running just fine. So yeah, that's basically going to be the end of the video. Oh wow, it still has this glitch where when you open the start menu, it just comes up with this gray thing, and then you can like snap windows and stuff. It's like really cool. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and bye.